Hi, GC News. Lima Obibia Akwaba. Say we can subscribe to the channel now. Let's just say over subscribe. Now we use what like video na free. What share amount of so any the essential had the latest and hot news in Kwana. The Bremo. Now you share and some other door you so a year. Apparently, a friend chef Ebenezer Smith. You learning a year cooking marathon. A year Guinness World Record. Now you one apparently the previous say well you need a year. The longest cooking marathon by an individual, Chef Smith, or the Bama, among for Bonabaso, Central California, the one who more interview. It's really more than say, oh, apparently, why Ghana for scam. Just say what that do Mamuna, the chill apparently about wanting to chop up the Ghanaians, except go and say your mark to give good from our Pagana Focho and the former president, and he didn't phobia or bomb our power chow. What is saying na ayaza a fraud to say why a bukata. Nanuna what in summer to ya or share yes what we heard the program so our interview now what is certificate now for the reference letter in now for giving our dinner was a pet to be our pagana photo. Now you can put it and summer or share yes well I here and summer what they a to ya no figure her child password what they a to Ghana for and in or pagana photo why a bonnet now and say he doesn't deserve to live. Now, what is assembly to that? Now, any can put a year share so when he dear money, yes, I didn't know what they mean to get into
the platform to showcase the good craft and skills that I have in me. Because I've worked a couple of places, both hotels and restaurants, and I feel like nothing is really working out for myself. I wanted a platform that I could get a permanent something to do, which has to do with my profession, the culinary industry. Hence the reason for this step.
For participating in the cookathon?
Yes, please.
So walk us through the process. When did you decide to do it, and did you send a letter to the Guinness World Record people yourself? Walk us through the process.
Apparently, after the Basi did, I have been thinking about it. And then all of a sudden I decided, after Afia did her sing-a-thon, I decided to make a step. You know, tracking the history, it has always been a sequential, like numbers with the application reference. So I ended up landed on the application reference of that of Edu Safwa, and then I built something for myself.
No, you ended up with that application reference.
Yeah, you know, I have read a lot about Guinness World Record.
Okay.
And it's an application process.
Right.
When you apply, they will give you an application reference.
Okay.
That would enable you to know who is the current record holder.
Okay.
And the details prior to that.
Okay.
Your time of break, the rules and the guidelines. So apparently, I have read all that.
Okay.
And gotten to know the rules, the guidelines, and everything. But I don't have application with Guinness World Record.
So you did not apply?
No.
You did not apply?
No.
So why did you start the cookathon?
Like I said, I built it on Edu Safwa's application reference.
Is that possible?
It's not normal.
But is it done?
It's not logic, but it's done, because if somebody is application index number 1, somebody will be 2. So
that's what you did?
Yes.
Did she give you a go-ahead to use her application reference?
She has no idea.
So you decided to start a whole cookathon with an application reference by not applying to the body that is in charge of it? No. Why did you do that?
I don't know.
And you wrote to sponsors?
I did.
And you knew that?
I made few approach.
And in all of this, you did not have approval from Guinness World Records?
No.
So you would agree when people say that you're a scammer? Because you knew from the onset that you didn't even have an approval to start in the first place.
Yeah.
And you led all of us on, all Ghanaians. Why did you do that?
I don't know.
You don't know. Were you in alone on this? Did you decide to do it on your own, or you planned it with people?
All alone.
You did it all alone?
Yes, please.
So even your manager didn't know?
No.
Nobody knew?
Nobody.
You had no reference, you had no go-ahead from Guinness World Records?
No.
Nothing? Wow, Chef Smith, that's very bold.
The application reference was what was requested, so I gave it out.
So you created your own application reference?
Like I said, I built my application reference.
Yourself?
I built it on Edusafua's application reference.
So you mean you copied it?
Yeah.
But that's a crime. You forged it. You forged the application document.
Yes, I did.
Okay. And you took it to your sponsors.
Yeah.
And you gave that to them, and they decided to sponsor you.
Yeah.
With how much?
It was agreed when we made a step. They will sponsor everything, and whatever that will come out of it. We had a Momo account and also a bank account, and like they were going to receive everything that was coming on behalf of me. And then after the whole thing, we'll sit down and then we'll do accurate accountability, and they recoup what they have invested and something is left out, we share 50-50. So that was the agreement.
And how much money did they initially invest?
I can't tell, but it's a lot of money.
It's a lot of money.
Yeah.
Have you seen the statements from your lead sponsors, Ahmadiyya?
Yes, please.
They say they invested about 300,000 cedis.
It's even more. It might be more.
It might be more.
It might be more.
So, Chef Smith, you knew that you didn't have any authorization, and you watched on and allowed them spend that much money. Once again, why? So, on the 2nd of July, you woke up, invited media houses, and decided to tell us that you have been announced the newest record holder. And you knew it was a lie.
Yeah.
And I'm going to ask you again, why did you do that?
I don't know.
Did you think that people wouldn't find out? Were you hoping?
I know Ghanaians are very intelligent, well educated, but I just don't know.
So you, wait, how did you forge the certificates? How did you do it?
Guinness have a lot of certificates on their pages. Like I said, I've been following Guinness for long. So we have a lot of certificates.
So what happened?
So
Walk us through the process.
I just picked one of the certificates and I entered the details in my name. And that's it.
And you printed it?
Yeah.
And framed it?
Yeah.
What was the role of your manager in all of this?
I don't have a manager. He just came as a brother to help.
He just came as a brother to help. Did he know?
No.
Did your assistant chef also know?
No.
None of them knew?
No, please.
You managed to scam the entire nation. Do you agree?
Yes, I do.
And why would you do that?
You're waiting for winning, and somewhere Chef Ebenezer Smith for the 2 year, which is a certificate required in Guinness World Record for 1 40 year or on website so continue, and it is a wedding dinner, dinner, share with them. I bet that Ghana for a press conference to see what on the award. the world record holder for the longest cooking marathon by an individual. Now, a tree and a cray better do na branche a day and segu and sago could be performer or Ghana for your say the wedding in Ghana for M5 channel. I will soon mama to say and answer to now you could see a year chopper with the 2 Ghana for any effort the way in a chopper.
It's very Ghana for Selma Penny and in a bediachi. It's a former first lady, Mrs. Lodina Mahama, Onini Kunu. Sre Amadia Shopping Center. Dr. Crete Nanaboro. David Sre Assemblyman. Honorable Ibrahim Dauda. Honorable Rashid. Ghana Fujina. Ghana Fanayina, Niyasinina. Ghana Chef Association. Obibia. Odin Nahondin in India. A better. Cookathon Sre Ghana Pose, family born in Sammy. My form can say, and says, Metanasi Biumupo. Miss Say, my papa did check my form of mining in a. I body can see I am Sam Fata, saying a Metanasi Bium. And so, it's Rubia, say, who you more. Mabusia mopo.
Acho, obi baby sase. Obi baby sase boni a wo kan nyina NSC.
Ya mika nyina ne se Cookathon ne course bibia no. Enya no kre. Sre.
Acho say one register Cookathon ne kora kan nyina acha Ghana for no munya humo.
Register yeso menya kwenya no. Bana me pe akwenya nka megina so.
Na why?
Madam Nyankubo dia Shemisa Edi actually yourself and then you know I don't know how you know a buy so the Mr. Delivery and you may be my base Sika. And so me back when you are brandy and so listen the Bobby woman here you might day. Come back when you are making us so come inside so be people time. This has to be permanent and committee. Gina so Abua, Nia Mali Mabusi Gina, and Akoba Bissi, Penisa, copy be a bit, and it may be a day and now. It says, can I for whom we mobo, whom Mabusi Mobo, who for 1 inch, 7
Yo, waiting for when it ends. My Chef Smith, Edu Wapa Ghana for Chelsea, why for name and for fan channel. To say, oh, goodness, mama, or Pancho, or Pak, the president, former president, Mira, what the chopper up to what I mean, say Ghana for a fan channel, why a bonnet. Then some more the 2 years, necessary or apply Prado, the one or no, a fórge reference letter, the fórge certificate, at the Bay Ghana for 419, says it's only a record holder. Kweku Ebededi ni say enye no kre nyano eye record holder no to say dandan kwa chopper what they atudwa no make house GCB so na wo hwe no say we now subscribe ya na say over subscribe no I like it na wa share video no ama ofoforo so egbe bi na wa hwe also with me actually wadin afaye so we now e wo comment box ni mo beti nka bi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.